Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this ear wax removal tool camera. Let's go ahead and get right in this because I don't want this video to be super long. I know you guys absolutely love these videos. Every time I do one of these, it always does really well on my channel. Just because it's, I don't know, I watch videos like this all the time too. It's kind of interesting. As you can see, you open this up, it does have a user manual. And then you have your main device, which is this right here. Have this right here, which are just like little tools that you can use. So it comes with this right here, which is like a scoop that you can get in there and scoop out with. It has this, which is like a more thin scoop. That one's plastic. This is a metal. It's to go in there and clean out the ears. And then they have a plastic one. You go in there and you can clean out your ears. They have this little brush to clean them off with, and then another little scoop that is plastic. It also comes with extra little scoopy things in here. They look like they're all pretty much the same. No, some of them are different. Some of them are smaller, so they're just different sized scoopers and extra ones. And then it has the one that's already on here. And then it does have a charger. It's a USB to a USB-C. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to connect it to my phone. So what you want to do to start out with, you want to scan that barcode. So that's what I'm going to do. You go to photo, and then you're going to hover it right over that. As you can see, it's going to come up here. So you click on this. As you can see, it's downloaded. We're going to open it. Okay, now I'm going to turn this on so that it connects to it. So we're going to hold that down. Okay, so let me go ahead and go connect it through. You go to settings. So it's going to be this one right here. And it is connected. So now I can go over to the ear thing. Got it. Go to home. Okay, and as you can see, it is connected. So this is the inside of my ear. Oh, there's earwax right there. And it's connected to this. You can see this is the earwax. So gross. Okay, so we got that off. Ugh, grosses me out. Okay, you can see I'm scraping that. Actually, hairs and everything are coming up with it. As you can see, I got more gunk out. Let's see. So let's see this ear. So there's like blackheads. Let's see if I can get, oh, do you see all those blackheads coming out? Ugh. Let's see if I can get some more blackheads out. Oh, look right there. So this one, it is dirty, but it's like all on the outside. Oh, look at all that that's getting out. Oh, I left it in there. And let's see if I can get blackheads on this side of the ear because I didn't try this side. Okay. So. Did you see that blackhead just come out? Okay, there's another blackhead. Let's see if I can't get that out. Oh, they're coming out. Okay, there's one right there. Oh, look at it. They just seriously like ooze out. Look right there. Oh, I got it. You can see it's like oozing out. It's right there. Okay, let's see if I can't get this one out. Do you see that? Here, right there. So yeah, this thing is kind of fun to use. I actually enjoy using these. So yeah, this is a good gift idea if you want to get someone something, and it's good to keep your ears nice and clean. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.